Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with the support team on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And after you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now, if you wish to chat with the support team, just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Help and Support. From here, tap on Help Center. And then you can tap on the issue that you're having or the appropriate category. And if you don't find any option to contact the support team, you can use the Report a Problem option from the Help and Support screen. After proceeding forward, you will be able to include your diagnostic report. And if you don't include this, you can type in your query relating to your account issue. You can directly live chat with any representative if your account is Meta verified. So you can proceed with verifying your account in order to get a live chat support. Alternately, you can also open the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and search for the Facebook application. Once you find Facebook, tap on it and then scroll down and you will see the app support option. Tap on the drop-down menu and then use this email address to send a direct support email to the Facebook support team. Once you have sent your email through this, you will receive your response within a few days. And with this, you will be able to resolve any of your issues. And there you have it. That is how you can chat with the Facebook support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.